Good morning. Happy Thursday, everyone. Today we're going to make a smiling cloud rainbow. So yesterday we made a smiling sun. Today we're going to make a smiling cloud. So for this activity, you'll need a pair of scissors, something to color with. It can be markers, crayons, colored pencils, it doesn't matter. A white piece of paper, and something to draw with, as well as some colored paper. It can be construction paper or it can just be other colored paper, and glue stick. So the first thing you want to do is draw your cloud. You want to make your cloud nice and puffy and nice and big. So mine's going to take up almost my entire piece of paper because I want my cloud to be nice and big so I can fit many colors of the rainbow on my cloud. So here is my cloud. Next, I'm going to take my scissors and be sure to ask for a grown-up's help if you need it, and I'm going to cut out my cloud. Almost finished cutting out my cloud. Alright, now my cloud is all cut out. Next, I'm going to take a dark marker or a crayon or whatever you have, and I'm going to give him a face. I'm going to give him some eyes. So we have one eye, two eyes, and I'm going to give him a nose. And then a great big smile also. So now our cloud has a face. See, he's happy. Next, I'm going to choose a few different colors of colored construction paper or whatever you have. So I think I'm going to choose red, blue, I'm going to choose some pink, and purple, and green, as well as yellow. Now what I like to do is I like to stack them all together. So I have a nice big thick pile. Now I'm going to take my scissors and make skinny little strips since I have about 7 or 8 pieces. I'm going to take this, just make a nice straight cut down the middle. You can cut it long ways or you can cut it the fatter ways. It doesn't really matter as long as you have all your strips of paper there. So now I have all my rainbow strips. Next, I'm going to take my cloud and turn him upside down so he's facing my table. Then I'm going to take my glue stick and choose what strip of paper I want first and glue it onto the back of my cloud. Now when I put the glue, I'm going to put it up halfway up the cloud. So here I took the glue and put about halfway up. Make sure you put plenty of glue. And I'm going to choose my first strip and glue it down. Then I'm going to take my glue again and choose my second strip. And I'm going to do this for all my strips of paper. So I have red and yellow. Now I'm going to put on my green. Now my purple. Next my light blue. Light blue. And finally, I'm going to add my pink. Then you have your smiling cloud rainbow. Isn't he cute? Thank you for joining me, friends. I hope you had fun with this craft like I did. Happy Thursday. Make sure to post your crafts to the Beacon House page. Bye.